Elon Musk just lost his crown, and the company that took it isn't even American. Right now, a quiet Chinese giant is building electric vehicles faster, cheaper, and smarter than Tesla ever could. But their winning strategy relies on a single, highly classified secret. A secret so powerful, it could completely wipe Tesla off the map by the end of this year. We will reveal exactly what that secret is at the very end of this video. For years, everyone thought Tesla was untouchable. They had the hype, they had the tech, but then the numbers dropped. In a single quarter, BYD, a company most Westerners can't even pronounce, officially sold more pure electric vehicles than Tesla. How did a company that started out making simple phone batteries beat the world's richest man? The answer isn't what you think. Most people assume China is just using cheap labor. That is a massive lie. The real reason is raw control. See, Tesla has to buy its parts from all over the world. If a supplier delays a shipment, Tesla stalls. But BYD? They chose a completely radical path. They decided to own everything. They buy the lithium mines. They manufacture their own microchips. They even build their own massive cargo ships to export the cars. Because they own the entire chain, they can build a luxury EV and sell it for just $12,000. Tesla literally cannot compete with that price. But this raises a terrifying new question. If BYD can produce cars this cheaply, why haven't they completely taken over the streets of New York, London, or Paris yet? Because the West is terrified. Governments are slapping massive 100% tariffs on these cars to lock them out. They are trying to build a legal wall to protect Tesla, but walls always crumble. BYD is already building giant factories inside Europe and Mexico to bypass these rules entirely. They are surrounded. Tesla's market share is bleeding out. Which brings us back to the ultimate question. What is that one classified secret weapon that guarantees BYD's total victory? It is the blade battery. While Tesla's batteries can overheat and catch fire if punctured, BYD's blade battery can be crushed, drilled through, and heated to 300 degrees without ever sparking. It is cheaper, safer, and packs double the distance. And here is the ultimate twist. Tesla is now forced to buy these exact batteries from BYD just to keep their own cars running. The war is already over. Tesla is actively funding its own executioner. If you want to see exactly how China captured the global lithium mines to trap Tesla in the first place, click on the video on your screen right now.